Welcome back, everyone. Brett Canaday here, Juice Feaster on all the social media platforms, and I'm on a mission to cleanse, regenerate, and transform 1 million people with the magical powers of juicing. In today's video, I'm going to go over my top 5 reasons why I think you should take a look at the Kuvings REVO830 juicer as your next juicer. There are a lot of juicers out on the marketplace. The choice can be confusing, so if you're a new juicer out there looking for your first juicer or an existing juicer looking to upgrade, let's go over my top 5 reasons. Let's start with number 5 and work our way up to the top. The first reason, or number 5, that I love the Kuvings REVO830 is that it has an amazing 15-year warranty that covers not only the motor but also the parts. A lot of other juicers out there will have a longer warranty on the motor but not on the parts. That's not the case with the REVO830. Full 15-year warranty on everything, and that's incredible. That's reason number 5. Reason number 4 is that this juicer is super versatile. Not only can you make juice on this juicer like you would expect a juicer to do, but you can also make smoothies, you can also make nut milks, and you can also make frozen fruit sorbets, or what I like to call nice cream. How can you do this on one juicer? Well, it comes with 3 juicing screens. The first is the juicing screen, and it has the finest mesh screen holes of all of the 3, and this allows you to have the least amount of pulp in the juice like a traditional juice. Then there's also a smoothie screen. This smoothie screen has larger holes which allows more pulp into the liquid, giving you more of a smoothie-like consistency and texture, more pulp in that to make it like a smoothie. And the third screen unit is actually a blank, which has no screen mesh holes in it whatsoever, allowing you to drop whole frozen fruit into it like bananas or frozen berries to make a frozen fruit sorbet, or what I call nice cream. So super versatile. You can make almond milk, nut milk, hemp seed milk, oat milk, all the alternative milks as well. So super versatile juicer. Reason number 3 is that this juicer has an incredibly powerful motor. Of all the juicers that Kuvings has in their home juicing lineup, the REVO830 has the most powerful motor. It's 240 watts, allowing you to run this juicer for up to 45 minutes. And having this powerful motor allows you to juice whole items like beets, carrots, ginger, celery, really fibrous things that are tough to juice and hard to juice. This motor is super powerful. It can handle it all. Other juicers out there have run times that are only 30 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but the REVO830, 45 minutes. If you're running softer fruits and softer ingredients, I've run this juicer longer than 45 minutes, but the recommended run time is 45. So that's really great. That's reason number 3. Let's move on to my top reason number 2, and that is that it's a low speed cold press masticating juicer. Now, why is this important? Because being a low speed masticating juicer allows you, 1, to extract the most nutrition in the juice, which is why we juice, is to get the most nutrition, but also having this low spinning RPM auger of only 50 RPMs, which is one of the slowest of all the juicers that I've reviewed. That allows you to store your juice up to 3 days in the refrigerator. Other juicers that have higher speed RPMs for the auger, this oxidizes the juice, and I recommend, say for example on a centrifugal style juicer, only storing those juices in the fridge up to 24 hours, if not drinking them right on the spot or drinking them fresh. So that's reason number 2 why I love this juicer. Let's move on to the top reason why I love the REVO830, and that is that it's super fast. This juicer has not 1 but 2 feed chutes, which allows you to make your juice incredibly fast. It has a 1.75 inch, almost 2 inch tall vertical cut chute, which allows you to drop whole celery, whole carrots, whole cucumbers, whole stalks of greens straight into it without any chopping or prep whatsoever. So that makes it really fast. It also has the 3.5 inch flip top feed chute, which allows you to drop whole apples, whole beets, whole oranges, handfuls of berries straight into that chute without prepping as well. So by virtue of having these 2 feed chutes, you can make your juice really fast. And so by having a 45-minute runtime and these 2 feed chutes, you can batch juice and make enough juice for 3 days really quickly. Now, is there anything that I don't like about the REVO830? I will say that this juicer is a little bit taller, and so that if you have lower cabinets over your countertop, this juicer may not fit underneath them. So if you're looking at this juicer, it might be a great idea to measure your countertop to cabinet space height and check out the height of this juicer to see if it will indeed fit. It's not a real big deal, but if you have limited countertop space and you're thinking you can just slide this underneath your cabinet on your countertop, it might not work out for you like you envision. The other thing I will say about this juicer is that it's a little heavier. By virtue of having a more powerful motor, that motor base is a little heavier. It's only about 3 or 4 pounds heavier than other juicers in its category, in the vertical juicer category. So it's not super heavy, but if you're envisioning moving this thing around a little bit, just keep in mind that it is a little bit heavier. Okay, so those are my top 5 reasons why I love the Kuvings REVO830 juicer. What are your thoughts on the Kuvings REVO830 juicer? Do you have this juicer? Do you have another Kuvings juicer that you've used in the past? Let me know what your thoughts on about this juicer, if you like it or dislike it. And I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. As always, I have links to this juicer in the description box of this video and usually a discount code to go along with it. So if this is a juicer that you're considering, please check out the description box below and any other information there with it. So with that, that's all I have on the Kuvings REVO830. If you're a juicer and looking for your first juicer, this is a great choice. And if you already have a juicer and looking to upgrade, I think this juicer is also an amazing choice for you to consider. So until we speak again, I encourage you to make lots of juice, drink it all, and stay juicy. Cheers, my friends.